is another video of Mexican chiropractics with Luna, big fish tuna.
Get it
Popping
close
dice.
so you can hear it.
All right, let's get it.
All that
Back
music.
adjustment.
You know, do some pressure, even pressure. That's one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I didn't get
Pop it.
that.
Pop it. Try. Try
Try
pop
one more
it.
time. Go on, man.
There you go.